Welcome to another vlog. Today I'm shooting with a client of mine, or clients because it's two of them, and they booked a little studio and I'm bringing my softbox because they only have lamps and I haven't seen them in a while, so I'm pretty excited to meet them again and I'm bringing you along. So enjoy! And this is where we're gonna shoot today. I love this space so much. We're done shooting. It was amazing and so much fun, and basically I came out with more energy than I went in. So it's a kind of weird. It was really fun. If you don't know Radiant Being, definitely check them out. They're amazing. They're very, very inspiring women, and yeah, just get inspired. Finally back home. The train ride was the worst. The train stopped in the middle of nowhere because of some planned roadworks, but then they didn't plan it good enough for the trains to go. I don't know. Yeah, it wasn't like the best way home. So now I'm going to transfer all the data and I will have to get Leo out of my seat because he's like here. He always chills on my chair whenever I'm not working here. It's like I always call him, or we call him, our little intern, because he's like, you know, when I'm out, he's there taking care of the business. I only took like a little above 1,000 pictures. This is going to be fun. And 120 clips. That's going to be fun as well. This is like the worst lighting possible. I'm gonna end this vlog here because I feel like it's all over the place. I just wanted to say, always work with clients you have fun with and you can be creative with, because then you will stay creative, have fun, and produce really inspiring things for people to see. And that's like the whole thing about it. I feel like sometimes we forget about that part because we have to earn money to sustain our business, that it's pretty easy to forget. But at the same time, it's super important to have fun. And that was like one of the things I told myself when I started, is to always have fun. And I had a lot of fun today, even if my evening didn't go as well as I hoped it would. It still was a really amazing shoot we had today, and I can't wait to get started on the pictures and on the footage we have, and to show you guys what we did as well. So definitely follow Radiant Being. If you don't know them, just check out the Instagram. I will link it down below. And yeah, just don't forget to have fun. And I'm going to go grocery shopping now. This day isn't over, guys, but the vlog is. So subscribe if you haven't already. Comment on anything if you like to, and I will see you in the next one. It's a never-ending story. There are so many vlogs coming. Oh my gosh.